Hey everybody, welcome to Collab Customs. We're going to show you how to utilize the Photoshop mockups today. This will be a quick video just to get you started. Here you can see we have the laser engraved tumbler. So essentially what you want to do is you're going to go over here and you're going to double click right here on this little icon. And this is a smart object in Photoshop, so basically what it's going to do is going to open up another page for you. Right? So what we want you to do is make sure you hide these. These are just outlines so you could see what was going to be on the other tumbler. And so once you select your design here, just click here. And we're just going to pull an example in. If this resembles anything like your designs, please know we just grabbed this from Google. Obviously it's Taylor Swift themed. You're just going to adjust that accordingly to fit your design. Let's just extend out. One thing to make sure you do is you rasterize the layer so you can actually move it around or enlarge it. Alright, let's just go with this. I think that should be about right. All you have to do is control save or save this page. That's going to instantaneously update the other page, and there you go. There's your design. Now maybe let's say this is not in the right placement according to your design. Simply just click on this. Maybe let's say, hey, it's more centered. Select it, save it, go back over here. Okay, that's where our design was. One thing to make sure of is that the metal layer, if you start clicking and move things around, just make sure the metal layer is on top of this layer right here. And there you go, just export that. It's even simpler if you use the UV printed one, the same concept. You're just going to go over here, get rid of these, make sure you're selecting this layer. Let's use, we found this image earlier. Alright, save, close this one because that's the other one, and there you go, there's your design. Now maybe it's too big, you want to minimize this. I always forget to do that. Save it, go back to your design, and there you go. Just a quick little video just to show you how to utilize the Photoshop mockups to get you going. Again, relatively easy process. Just make sure you're saving on your other windows before you try and come back here and see the image. But thank you, and we're going to go into another video a little bit more in depth on designs and tumblers between the UV printed and the laser engraved in another video. This one's just to get you going. All right, thank you.